Imagine, guys, you have your own house. You have your own house. You live with your kids. Ne? Then you meet this man. Ne? And he tells you he was living with his parents, and then he tells you he found a new place. So you are excited because now you are going to get to visit him, because he does not like to come to your house, ne? Which is a good thing because you have your kids there. He does not like to come to your house. He does not like to, he does not want to come and stay with you at your house, which is good because, we should not be bringing men around our kids like that, okay? Then he tells you that, you know what, I found a place, ne? I found a place. It's nice and everything, so you must come and see it. You go to see his place emqashweni waselokishini. Okay, when you get there you realize it's not what I expect or what I expected, ne? Then you guys akushiye, ne? Ulale while you are thinking this place is not make sure. And then ulale ke, phela uyathanda emjulweni. Ulale, he wakes up in the morning, gets ready, he goes to work, he leaves you in the house. You realize that there's no water, there's no electricity in this house, ne? And he just moved in, so there's no food. But you still wait for him the whole day, wait for him to go to work and come back. When he comes back, the minute he enters the house, he's complaining about the cooking, what you didn't cook. He's complaining that you didn't clean. All of this while you have your house that has electricity and water. He is coming back to this place where you visited him, and he's complaining that you didn't cook and you didn't clean. But there's no water, no electricity in this place. But you have your own house. You have left your kids alone to come and visit this man, but he has no water and no electricity, and complaining that you haven't cooked and haven't cleaned. These are the things that you guys do emjolweni. Yeah. So Pindile and Themba is a couple on Nganele. I did not religiously watch Makoti Are You the One, so I'm just picking up the stories from Nganele. Don't worry, you guys. If you didn't watch Makoti Are You the One, you can still watch this show. But if you want to get the background, you can go. I don't think I will go. Unless the show really gets interesting, then I will go watch the season of Makoti Are You the One. So Themba, no, Pindile had done the whole, is it how many days they do where they act like Makoti, and then the guy has to decide if he's taking you as Makoti or not. But what's interesting about this couple is that legally Upindile is still married to someone else, but she got the house when they separated with her husband. So she's still finalizing a divorce, but already talking to a man about this man moving into her house. She wants this man to move to the house where she lives with her kids. Isibindi naso bantu besifazane, isibindi esinaso. I don't know how a man will be able to convince me that they are safe enough to bring around my kids, but so she's trying to convince him, and he is like, no, I don't want to stay in your house, the house you got through a divorce, and I don't want to stay in the house that another man stayed in. If we are going to build, we have to build our own, which is good, except he's not really that much. So I don't even understand Pindile. Like, you just walked out of a divorce. Did you not learn anything over there by the marriage? Did you not learn anything by the marriage? She is back here dating. I don't want to say broke, but he doesn't have money. Because he can't afford a nice place. But guys, you can be intelligent and be a successful businesswoman and be making lots and lots of money, going to boardrooms, having meetings and making decisions and all of that. But Pindile is that woman. Pindile is that woman. She just made the right decision leaving the other man. Now she's with this one. She has a house over there with her kids, but she's going to visit a man in Emqashweni. to a place that does not have water or electricity and being asked. I have my own house where I can choose if I cook or not. I can just tell my kids to eat noodles and we go to bed. Now I go and visit a man that is going to come back from work and complain about cooking and complain about cleaning. Does that even make sense? Guys, sinjani thina women kahle? Sicabanga ngenhliziyo and then sifile ngengqondo. We feel here, we think here. Because that thing doesn't make sense. Even the fact that she stayed and waited for this guy to come back from work, because I would have woken up. Because a place like that, if it does not have water, that means that the toilet is not flushing. And there's no electricity. It means, I did not even see the fridge. I don't know if it's today. It means there's no food. You can't even make coffee for yourself, but you stay and wait for this man. Women be funny because what the hell? But that's what's happening on Nganele. I'm like, listen. And this man is not even like polite and respectful. The way that he speaks to her, I'm like, woman, you have other women can stay and tolerate that because they need accommodation. They don't want to pay rent. Because the rent can be expensive, guys. Sometimes, you can just put up with a guy so that a guy can pay rent. But, you've got your own house. You don't have to tolerate his disrespect. He's not even polite. He's not even nice. I'm like, Pendile, what the hell are you doing? And she's trying to convince him to move. The guy that he cannot have water and electricity in his own place. What? You want to move him to your house? This is an opportunity for you to say, peace out. Anyways, that's one couple. Another one, it's Tamara and City. Okay. Tamara and City broke up. Anyway, their relationship was very dramatic and stuff. So Tamara decides that she needs closure. Okay, Tamara is a colored girl. So their coupling has that energy because there's colored family members and you understand what I'm saying? You South African, So then you guys, Tamara decides that she has already left City. Okay, the relationship didn't work out, but there was some physical situation that happened because Tamara has pictures of her, bogo bogo, and I'm like, I'm not clear if it's Tamara that did that or someone else, but they have a court case that they are attending. And Tamara says that her mom used to tell her all the time, you need to leave this man. This man is not good for you. She leaves the man. Now they have a court case with the man. The mother goes to support the man. If you needed to know if your mother hated you, she is supporting the man. Anyway, Tamara decides she wants closure. She does not want the closure that you get at the salon when you install the weave. She wants the closure that they do in the movies when they break up. In the movies, they will break up, and then after like a few months, they go and sit at the park. You find the one partner sitting at the one edge of the bench. You come and sit at the other edge of the bench. You started saying, listen, I realized I did something wrong. He also says the same thing. I'm sorry. I really loved you. I had dreams. I thought that we were going to end up together. Things didn't work out, but I don't like the fact that it ended the way that it did. I wish you all of the luck. You say the same thing. You go separate ways. It's the movies. Sometimes you guys be jolling like you're in the movies. There is no closure. Don't be going to no park to shoot some scene for closure because there is no closure in real umjolo. In real umjolo, you are like, hey, listen, I'm done. The other one says, I'm done. You go. You stay wondering if he was joining with that lady that you saw touching one day, wherever. You wonder about that message that came on his phone. You are never going to get closure. You're not going to have the seat at the park where he tells you everything. Yes, I did cheat with that girl. Yes, I did kiss her. Yes, I didn't like. I did like her. I didn't like her, but I like. You're not going to get that, guys. You must realize what you are joining. There is no closure. Closure is at the salon. Go buy it there by the hair. They put it there in your weave. Closure is at the salon, but the one that you see people get at the movies, there is nothing like that in real life. In real life is F off, F off. I don't want to see you. I block you. I hate your mother, your grandmother, and everybody that's associated with you. I hope your boss makes you work overtime and you go your separate ways. But Tamara wanted closure. They go and they sit down with Siti. And Siti's like, when I saw her, I cringed. I'm like, huh? Now you are cringing. You see? What I just want to understand about Siti and Tamara is who hit Tamara. Because then I'm like, I need to know how to feel about Siti, because I need to know who hit Siti and also what the court case is about. They are not clarifying that, you guys. They are not clarifying that. But Tamara did say that Siti cheated. Yes, you guys, listen, go and watch Nganele, okay? When you have time, go and watch Nganele. If you have more time, go watch Makoti Are You The One and watch Nganele, so that if we say something wrong here, reviewing Nganele, you can come and tell us, no, this is what happened. No, this is what happened. But I'm just saying, you guys, I'm watching. Okay, I'm a watching and I'm a liking. Okay, but please, if you are here on my channel, you have your own house, don't be visiting no boyfriend at the rental and staying there even though there's no electricity or water. Go back to your own house, like book a hotel room or something and go downstairs to have breakfast. What is this thing of you guys visiting people that don't even have food for you guys in their own houses when you have your own house? And what is the point of getting your own house if you are going to be visiting a boyfriend in a smaller place and there's no water and electricity? Hi, okay, thank you so much. Goodbye.